If you felt called to click on this video, then you were born to be a multidimensional creator. The people who are attracted to my videos are lightworkers, so my guess is you have many gifts, many passions, a lot of life experience, and you want to help the world in some way, but you don't know in what way because there are just so many options. And you might feel scattered and keep postponing sharing your gifts with the world because of this very reason. But what if I told you you are not lacking focus, but that you are meant to be a multidimensional creator? That is actually what will bring you the biggest abundance you've ever experienced in your life. And the reason it might feel like a weakness to be multi-passionate is because we've been taught our whole lives that we should pick one career, one path, one identity, and then stay there until retirement. But for many spiritually awake people, that advice feels suffocating because you love to grow spiritually. You love creativity, helping people. You have multiple hobbies and interests. And every time you force yourself in a little box, a part of your soul feels trapped. And you start wondering, why can't I just decide? So you go to therapy, counseling, you do online quizzes. You maybe start with one niche, sharing it online. And then you feel, but actually I want to share this too. But I don't want to be scattered. But the truth is, your soul is expansive. It's creative. It doesn't operate through limitations, but through expression. And many people are here to be experts at one thing. But others, especially the lightworkers, are mostly here to weave together multiple gifts, experiences, passions, and lessons to become bridges, to create something unique that has never existed before. And the reason I'm talking about this is because I have been there, trust me. When I first started my YouTube channel, I wanted it to be about being a digital nomad and traveling and business. So digital nomadism was supposed to be my niche. But then at the same time, I had recently had a spiritual awakening. So I was reading so much about spirituality and I just couldn't help sharing it with the world. And I worried, oh my gosh, I'm too scattered, my YouTube channel. So I moved away from the business and the travel and focused completely on spirituality on my channel. But it felt like something was missing. I felt restrictive. And eventually I realized all my interests are connected. Business, digital nomad life, spirituality, what they all have in common is life purpose. Finding your calling this lifetime, creating your delicious dream life. My interests were different expressions of the same mission, helping people create a life that feels aligned with who they truly are. And the pieces only made sense once I stopped trying to force them apart. And I know I'm not the only one, because this is the case for so many of my students as well in my Nomad Freedom Academy. For example, one of our newest students, she's in the gardening niche, but she's also deeply passionate about spirituality, hugging trees. And that is such a good example because I feel like in the 3D world, we're taught to, okay, medicine, gardening, it's this like pigeonholed niche. But what we lightworkers are here to create is a more holistic view. Gardening can actually be a deeply spiritual hobby, because plants are living beings like us. So the energy you put into your gardening actually affects how the plants grow. But how many gardeners in the gardening stores talks about that? So her work is deeply needed in this world. And so is yours. So don't try to focus on one niche only and remove the rest, and see what is the thread that is connecting my hobbies. And that is your purpose. And if you want help narrowing that down, I've put my free guide, How to Find Your Purpose, in the link in the description. And there I've also put a free call if you want to talk to our team about, okay, what could be yours. And there you will also learn more about Nomad Freedom Academy, where you will get one-on-one coaching with me. I would love to guide you on this beautiful journey, sharing your gifts with the world, because there are so many lightworkers now stepping into their missions, and I love helping you guys. So you can apply for that in the description as well. Next thing that came through is that people are really craving authentic people, not experts with a PhD in some specialty. Now with the rise of AI, people really want real people who have lived, have many experiences, people who are creating from their soul. So if you feel called to share your gifts online or in person, see this as a sign that you don't need to pick. Your unique life experiences have not been random. They have led you to this moment today so that you can share from your unique angle. Because that's another thing I keep hearing. Julia, I feel like my niche is oversaturated. There are so many experts already. No, you have no competition. You have your unique light, your unique frequency, your unique life experiences that nobody else have lived through. So certain people will want to tune into your specific frequency. So it doesn't matter if there's another person with a double PhD in your niche. They bring their unique frequency, which will attract a different crowd. And if you want to turn this into a full-time income like I've done, then definitely check out my next video, Best Business Models for Spiritual People, on how to actually monetize your gifts. Let me know what your passions are that you want to share with the world. Love you so much, and see you in the next video.